What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video, guys, we do have another update on Jasmy, and we can clearly see it has started to stabilize itself. Even though it has been hitting green and red candles in between, the overall outcome has been neutral over the last few days, just like Bitcoin has been stabilizing itself around $118,000. And we'll see what is next for Jasmy. Is there potential bull run coming soon? Is it just, the calm before the storm, or is it going to drop back down, essentially covering its prediction for the rest of July and over the next few months? But before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. So over the last day itself is just about 3% up, very slow and steady increase in value, and over the week an overall 14% up, as we have seen dips in between, but the overall outcome has been positive. So at the bottom here we have the RSI, which is at 69.31, which is pretty high. Again, the reason for that, it did head over 70 earlier this week, and that is when it hit a red candle, and right now it is slowly stabilizing around 0.017 cents, and it is likely to carry on doing so over the next few days until this RSI indicator comes down to around 60-65. Then by mid to end of next week, we may see a very slow increase in value. But again, this is a crypto that I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates, I will let you guys know. But at the moment, it is likely to stay around 0.017 to 0.018 over the next few days before it slowly starts to, again, there will be red and green candles, but it should start to pump up in value closer to 2 cents in value towards the end of July, early August. We should see a head over the 2 cents value, potentially getting closer to 3 cents over the coming months. But for now, let's get rid of this and zoom in into the hourly chart. And if we do bring in the MACD indicator here, we can see that the MACD line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic over the next 24 to 48 hours. So going into early next week, an overall minimal increase in value is what is predicted. Again, still trading around 0.018 cents, but as mentioned, the increase in value is likely to be very, very minimal, and of course do expect red candles in between. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, over the next over the coming week, what can we see here is a little bit volatile, and it's we can see here that the signal line, which is the orange line, is looking quite bearish. However, the blue line, if you look closely, is slanting towards a positive direction, indicating a minimal increase in value again going into late July, early August. Again, minimal increase means heading over the 2 cents value is what my predictions are at the moment, if obviously Bitcoin doesn't end up crashing. And if it manages to even stabilize itself, we should see increases in value, not just from Jasmy, but the crypto market in general. And zooming out to the daily chart over the next few months, we are looking very bullish, guys. We've got the blue line with MACD line looking positive, heading over the signal line, and the baseline indicating an overall increase in value for Jasmy going into September, October, so over the next 2 to 3 months. And by that point, we should see it heading closer or just over the 3 cents value is what my predictions are at the moment. Again, it is crypto, it is a volatile market. Any little news can have a major impact on the crypto market in general, and that is why I'm here to keep you guys updated. However, we did see Jasmy head over the 5 cents target back in December. I'm not saying it will head up to all the way up to 5 cents, potentially heading close to the 5 cents value by the end of the year is where I'm predicting Jasmy to be trading at, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $150,000 by the end of the year, which should again have a major positive impact on the crypto market. Zooming out a little bit into the daily chart and looking at the Bollinger Band, it is trading as predicted. It is trading below the signal line here, the upper band, the red line here. It is trading below that and above the blue line here, which is the average, meaning the crypto is performing quite well on target, so it's not likely to go for any price corrections anytime soon, as it is pretty much on target. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume is down 50% in the last 24 hours because there hasn't been any major movements from the crypto itself, and it is currently at $31 million. A lot of people have been trading the crypto over the last few days, especially over the last week itself. We can see it heading over $145 million, so that is a huge increase from earlier this month. where the trading volume was at a low of about $14 million. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting Jasmy to go by the end of 2025? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.